Hey guys, my name is Radhika and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this purple smoky eye makeup tutorial. I'll be using this Swiss Beauty Eyeshadow palette. Let's begin this. I have done with my brows already. Now, I'm applying Darling Isabella primer as a base on my lids to even out my skin tone. Now, first I'm going to use this brown shade with the help of this blending brush. Next I'm using this purple shimmery shade and blending out my lids. Now, to create a smoke, I'm taking this black shade to center of my lid with the help of this flat brush and saturate my entire lid with this. Next, I'm taking this shimmery purple shade and blend out my lower lash line. Also, I'm taking this black shade and blending on my lower lash line. Then I'm using this metallic shade glitter from the Swiss Beauty. I'm going to applying it directly on lid over my lid. Applying on the center and spread with my fingers. The glitter shade sticks on it pretty well, which shows pretty good. Then I'm applying gel liner from Lakme. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline New York Lash Sensational mascara. Now, just for a finish up, I'm going to curl my lashes. On my lips, I'm using this nude shade Crayon from Purplle. Now, I'm going to highlight my inner corner and brow bone with using this Swiss Beauty eyeliner. And here is the finished look, so easy to do. I'm really liking the way this looks. And this smoky eye looks good with every outfit for any function or cocktail party. And I'm wearing net fabric saree that can be styled with a stone necklace and can wear with golden or black blouse. Even I didn't stitch any particular blouse for this. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in description box below. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Do not forget to hit like button and subscribe my channel. I'll keep posting similar video for you. Till then, bye bye.